Yeah, so sorry for interrupting that tutorial pretty abruptly, but it was taking a really long time. So basically, the last point that I made was that using this would mean anything inside does not affect your program. All right. So, anyways, let's go ahead now. As promised, we'll be creating a calculator. First, let's just create a basic addition-based calculator. So we'll say, we'll just define certain numbers first. Let's define them as integers. We'll carry out only integer-based calculation. So we'll say a, which will be the first number, and we say int b, which will be the second number, and then we'll say int ans, ANS, which is answer and not something in the digestive system. But anyways, so we say int answer, and let us begin. All right. Okay. So we basically just say cout, and then do that, and yeah. So in cout we are going to say what. Now 1 minute. First number. Okay, and we do cin, and we say we'll set that as a, and then we say cout, and we set that as second number. So if I might be getting ahead of myself over here, but trust me, I'll explain this in a moment. So yeah, real quickly. So we do that, and then we say cin, then we say b. Okay, so far what have I been doing? Okay, so I said cout, which means come out. It says, I mean, it means C++ out, but yeah, it says first number, and then it'll ask for the first number. Now cin is the opposite of cout, which means that we are telling it to bring in something, as I explained in a previous video. So yeah, we say cin a. We're setting that whatever the user would have entered as a. Okay, and then we're using cout, the second number, and doing it in cin b. Okay, so once we're done with that, the next thing that we need to do is actually tell the user that your answer is so and so. Now notice that I did not put any end lines over here. That is because cin will automatically like change the line. Okay, so we say cout, and we say your answer is, and we can say a plus b. All right, so now we will run this, and first number, how about 58? Okay, and then second number, how about 11? Okay, so we press enter, and your answer is 69. That was completely deliberate, but yeah. So we do that, and then once we get this answer, we could even change this to a subtraction based calculator by doing that. And let me just build and run it again. So we get first number, how about 72? Okay, and then we say 3, and the answer is 69 again. So that is getting repetitive, I know, but yeah. So that's how we do that. But now let's turn this into multiplication based thing. So normally how you would write in exams or in your math class basically is writing x, but if you do this over here, it will screw up your program. Don't do that. You will be using an asterisk, and basically what that is the if you press shift and a, that's what you'll get. So if we do that now, let's say 12 times 100. Good, 1200. Okay, so that's good. So we know this works. Now let's just real quickly change it to a division based thing. And for division, you use this thing which is basically a forward slash, which you use on the internet pretty much. So you do build and run, and let's say first number 2, second number 1. So we get your answer is 2, obviously. But however, this program has a huge, and by huge I mean a huge bug. Okay, just before that, let's just say, just to show you how we can do some stuff over here. We can even do this if you want. So yeah, I'll just do that. It doesn't really make any difference right now, but still, let me just show you how it works. It just works the right way, as you would expect. So yeah, the huge bug that I was talking about is it can be huge depending on how crucial your calculations are, and that is if you enter anything on the first number, but you set the denominator as 0, you'll see that whenever I press enter, my program is going to stop working, and that is for a reason. It is because um, anything divided by 0 is infinite, and infinite is not exactly an integer. Yeah, so that's why we will be we'll have to make some changes, and that exact thing brings us to if statement, and that's what I'll be talking about in the next video. So I'll see you there.